Welcome to ICBA Live. I'm Rebecca Romero-Rainey, President and CEO of ICBA, and so excited to jump into this week ahead with all of you. You know, when I think about ICBA Live, the piece that comes to mind is this network, the support, the resources, the opportunity to learn from each other and take all this back home to shape an even brighter future for our banks tomorrow.
Hello, community bankers and industry experts, and welcome to ICBA Live. We are so excited that you are here. We've got a jam-packed schedule for you, filled with tons of learning opportunities, excellent networking experiences, and a whole lot of fun waiting for you in Nashville.
I'm excited to be back here in Nashville, especially at the Gaylord. My oldest son is 13, and ICBA Live was here at this hotel 13 years ago. That was his first convention when he was 5 weeks old. And so I'm glad to be back going out as chairman of ICBA with my oldest son, who's now 13.
People will often ask, what is ICBA Live? And as you're here and in person, taking it all in, you realize the power of the networking, the learning labs, the general sessions, all built to meet the unique needs of the community banker, building a better and brighter future for their banks each day.
At ICBA Education, we don't just understand community banking, we live it. Many of us were community bankers ourselves. We know your challenges, your goals, and your commitment to serving your community. That's why we're always looking ahead and investing in your future. We're expanding our certification institutes, launching more online courses and resources in fraud prevention, enriching our professional development planner, and adding more value to our Bank Director program to help support you. ICBA Education empowers thousands of community bankers with the tools they need to succeed. From leadership to regulatory compliance, our diverse training covers every department of your bank. With multiple learning channels available, we make it easy for bankers to access the training they need anytime, anywhere, ensuring growth for both the individual and the bank. We take pride in what we do. We're committed to empowering you with the knowledge and skills to succeed. Because we don't just support community banking, we are community banking.
At MasterCard, we're powering economies and empowering people. At every moment, we're connecting businesses, governments, and 7.7 billion people to a global digital economy. We're designing easy ways to pay, across town or across borders, faster or later, from the comfort of home or on the go. We're protecting people's data and identities. We're helping businesses make smarter decisions and making money more secure. We're bringing more people into the financial mainstream and helping small businesses get online to create a more sustainable economy where everyone prospers. We strive to be a force for good, creating value, growing together, and moving fast for our customers and each other. At the end of the day, we're all about making connections. From everyday moments to innovations across the globe, MasterCard helps millions of people do incredible things. Together, the possibilities are priceless.
With solutions from IntraFi, you can have it all. So how does it work? Let's say you have $1 million to deposit. When our bank places funds using ICS or CDARS, your funds are divided into amounts below the FDIC insurance maximum of $250,000. And those smaller amounts are placed with FDIC-insured participating banks.
Historically, when we look at the footprint of small businesses in this country, which is unlike anywhere else in the world, we can attribute it directly to the presence of small banks and those that are on the ground that are taking that local capital and redeploying it to small businesses so that they can grow and create additional capital for that community.
You spoke about the one-size-fits-all regulation and how it impacts the small businesses, and it impacts us when banking regulations are one-size-fits-all, and it puts us in boxes and makes us have to operate very similar to much more out-of-market larger competitors, where what you've indicated is your businesses need that personal relationship. They need that ability to have a banker that they can work with and help them with a customized product